Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use text effects in Microsoft Word document. So I have typed a text here and I'm going to use the text effects for this text. So one of the basic purpose of using the text effects is to beautify the texts or make it more stylistic. So here is the text. I'm going to select this text first, and then you have to be on the home tab in the ribbon in order to find these text effects and typography icon. So if you click here, you'll find a lot of different options, these A's, and you can choose any one of them. So I'm going to choose this one, these text effects, and you see this beautifies it. So as you know, the beauty depends on how you define the beauty is. So it's basically according to your own liking, right? So I have chosen this one for myself, and then select it again and go to so there go to here again, this icon again, and you'll find outline, shadow, reflection, and glow. So mainly you can choose a lot of different options from here. So in terms of the outline, you can use this theme colors. I'm gonna use this theme. Okay, so this and I'll go there again. And so in terms of the shadow, you can use any one of them. So I'll for this demonstration, I'm not using any shadow. Okay, so for this reflection, currently it's no reflection, but you can use any reflection so that underneath the text there will be a reflection text. I'm going to select this one, and you see the reflection underneath this text, and then go there again, and you'll find glow. So you can use any glow of your choice. I'm going to choose this one, and so I have applied the text effects with outline, shadow, reflection, and glow. So this is how you apply text effects in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorials on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.